Hello, hello. जों स्राबसा नासिंलायनाय 2 minutes 2 to 3 minutes जों नासिंलायनाय दिनै session जों चेंलाय माबाखौ थांलाय मायजा audio ठीक दा ना कम दा फाइ सारी किसा chat audio काम के रखना clear दा okay okay आज जना join के क्या good evening motivation entertainment सब जने का सामलिया motivation entertainment good evening Animesh और जो live ni link share खाइ बायदि जत join खालामनाय जात बाक्सा साइमाया खना जे आं live ओंखा हानाय kataong chang nai te srapsa join khabe ka tangta ang bani whatsapp status re gana tha join khabe shiri okay chalo ready inke jotono koijona join khai kya 16 okay अरे कॉकटून से join khai jagla sa ha to dalai hambai कॉकटून no सरलेटी से नंगई फायो खाता abagilero ang to chengna sekang session chengna sekang to nengjak no cha ka pada inge sengseng lain pada tadi to ini ni topik engka time and distance coba tadi volume comment jangan तीन इंचिन टॉपिक नंग लुक नायको टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस तक और टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस ने लगे जों तेकाइसा बरम लायनाय तेकाइसा टॉपिक आबो हंकांके अपस्ट्रीम एंड डाउनस्ट्रीम अमबो दंनाय जों अमबो सरनाय अपस्ट्रीम एंड डाउनस्ट्रीम बो सरनाय जों तीनी नो ओके सो टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस सरनाय ते अपस्ट्रीम एंड डाउनस्ट्रीम टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस नो खबजागो so जों अ जागा न अबियो को दिनैनि अ सेसनाव जों upstream and downstream bo serangै नालाय ओके ओंके जों तो नरम तो सेमानो जों बाहाय के सें चिनि सेशन no जों पुइलाओ NCERT some basic questions by Chengo okay basic questions by Chengo NCERT याको आरे सागारन नि किसा क्वेश्चन नाखा जेटा प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन नो ओके जों अब बाय चेंगनाय ने ready ओके दिनै चिनि पुइला कक्संमुं दिनै चिनि पुइला कक्संमुं नायदियाव जागा तानि सावरो a bus travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 75 kilometer for a distance of 75 kilometer and then travels a distance of 90 kilometer at an average speed of 10 kilometer per hour more than the first speed. Okay, if it takes 3 hours more, 3 hours to complete the total journey, find its original speed. Tak sung o question pori ne kan ke sung no first of all to na di sung no tam kar din abo mar tok na sung. Nga sung no tam kar din ba sung no jaga original speed po. Sabni original speed bus ni original speed kar din saka na. Mo to no nugi to kana ko 2015 no kai jar. Okay. So bus ni original speed kar din ni sa sung no. Tabu जों किसा डिटेल बाबे अ क्वेश्चन ताम साननाय आपनो बुजिना लागेनाय ओके बुजिना लागेनाय जों ताम खायनाय ताम मेथड बाय जों सॉल्व खायनाय नायनाय सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कायसा डिस्टेंस बस कायसा डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल खायगोन सो बस डिस्टेंस आबो a bus travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 75 kilometer 75 kilometer distance travel खायगयापो bus okay 75 kilometer distance travel kaya amuni ya gulo and then travels a distance of 90 kilometer okay te oran simi bote isang 90 kilometer yang thangko ani chaw 90 kilometer at an average speed of 10 kilometer per hour more than the first speed mane puila ni speed ni sai te 10 kilometer per hour gobang ke thangka ani chaw okay sungno to original speed sekar ni chaw okay sung to saime ya जों original speed of bus बसक speed थांगै दं जों साइमेया हेदिबा इनके जों speed साइमेया जेकुनो जिनि साइमेया जों तामनाबा x kilometer per hour जों 1 सुगैना का जेचिनि of bus x kilometer per hour speed मुखाय दङ क्लियर इनके अरन सिमि अर सपाया रम दि a नि सिमि b अ सपाया a नि सिमि b नारि मिजना दि a नि सिमि b 75 kilometer travel खायका बसक speed x kilometer per hour speed ओके Tabuk, bini simi C, 90 kilometer journey khaikwa, travel khaikwa, o bus, basic speed of 10 kilometer per hour more than the first speed. Mane je chini first speed basic ba x. Okay, more mane tang nai plus nginai heda more mane plus nginai. Okay, x kilometer per hour more 10 kilometer per hour more mane moto chini original speed to mani original speed is 10 kilometer per hour more mane x plus 10 ang sanai. Okay, clear dasak? Tabuk? Nani? If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, tak any simi CEO thangnani o any simi CEO sogainani besek hours nangkani sha 3 hours nangkapu 3 gonta nangkapu any simi CEO thangnani. Okay, any simi CEO thangnani 3 hours nangkani sha 3 gonta nangkani sha. Tabuk nari? Chini omo tamni question. Chini topic tamo time and distance te speed butong time and distance mane speed butong bujka time distance te speed ni question tabo kasha kok mutenar de chino question ka time distance speed ni question chung jepru time distance te speed ni question nuk nai or tinta relate mot borok to related heda je all topic o chung jepru question nuk nai chung sob somoy no time o slai ranai time o slai ranai chung jotono no time o slai ranai chung okay jotono no chung time o slai ranai tapo be time distance te speed ni question no ka ke chung bo form o slai ne bono question solve kanya bagai chung time o slai nai clear da mo first to last chung mo use kanya time o slai nai okay kali tapo back slai nai time nari speed tamo speed tamo distance by time hai deba speed engka distance by time engka time tangnai time angnai distance by speed ठीक दा time tamang ka जों distance by speed जों omo use खायनाय okay speed equal to distance by time जों सायमानो time tangnai distance by speed जों omo use खायनाय time equal to distance by speed use खायनाय तागना दियो डायरेक्ट mo नायनाय जी ताबुक color change खायसन मन बागै एनि सिमी बियो थांनानि distance बसक एनि सिमी यो बियो थांनानि distance 75 किलोमीटर speed बसक x किलोमीटर per hour ओके एनि सिमी बियो थांनानि time दामंना बा distance by speed एनि सिमी बियो थांनानि distance बसक बा 75 बेदे बा speed बसक बा x माने एनि सिमी बियो थांनानि time अंखा असक clear दा एनि सिमी बियो थांनानि time तमो 75 by x ताबुक similarly b नि सिमी सियो थांनानि distance बसक 90 speed बसक x plus 10 ओके 90 by x plus 10 अंखा b नि सिमी सियो थांनानि time ठीक ना बले जों time os लेर का ओके ताबुक खरादि का हमके जों a नि सिमी बियो थांनानि time अंखा 75 by x b नि सिमी सियो थांनानि time अंखा 90 x plus 10 time os लेर का संग ताबुक a नि सिमी सियो थांनानि पूरा time रजाक सुनो पूरा time रजाक बसक 3 घंटा नांगोन छवि को 3 hours माने न a नि सिमी बियो थांनानि time बिको म हेदा b नि सिमी सियो थांनानि time तमो 90 by x plus 10 इको म अ काइनि time न जों plus खायके बसक ना बा 3 घंटा नंना बले हो गमन खाचिनि इक्वेशन अमोना जों quadratic equation सॉल्व को चेंज खायो जों सॉल्व खायके जों चिनि सॉल्यूशन मानसि नायदा बुझिखदा क्लियर इनके क्लियर नि दि चैटो क्लियर नि दि क्लियर दि चैटो आं नाय दङ क्लियर इनके चैटो क्लियर नि दि और concept clear kan ke chat clear ni de okay clear okay Elia clear Animes clear Alencha clear SMN clear Sania clear okay Regina clear Rajiv clear SMD clear okay Yang tabuk word o session okay word o session mono mono nor screenshot na naka nai mano concept ni bagai omo screenshot na ri Naka? Okay. Tabok seng word o selection ay. Kok thai. Tapok di time equal to distance by speed, okay? Okay. Let the original speed of the bus be x kilometer per hour. Heda? The time taken by bus to travel travel थे क्या 75 किलोमीटर के 75 किलोमीटर travel खंडे नहीं बगै बस time नंगना बा distance इनका 75 speed इनका x so 75 by x असक time नंगनाय 75 किलोमीटर travel खंडे नहीं तबक similarly speed सलाई क्या 10 किलोमीटर per hour more खाय क्या so संग माननाय new speed केताल new speed of the bus बस new speed of the bus x plus 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, new time ini series contoh ini new time. Ketal time. New time taken by bus to travel besek 90 kilometer. Ketang naik 90 by x plus 10. Okay, so according to question taman sinai. Mongka puila travel khaimani time a ni simi b thangmani b ni simi c thangmani time o kaini miliwei total journey nangkha chini besek total journey nangkha 3 hours so sungorotam common name man 15 common name mano ingke orotam phainai 5 phainai or 15 6 phainai 3 ingke 59 thanai heda ingke 5 by x plus 6 by x plus 10 equal to 3 by 15 makat khainai 1 by 5 manai songoro okay omo tabuk LCM x into x plus 10. Okay, x by x kan ya, x plus 10 torok na yang ke 5 into x plus 10 plus 6x is equal to 1 by 5. Gawa memanai 5x plus 50 plus 6x tolak ke x square plus 10x equal to 1 by 5. Enggak cross multiply kayak ke memanai x cross multiply ako mau add care lagi nasakan. Oke, 11x mana ya plus 50 divided by x square plus 10x equal to 1 by 5. Oke, mau x square plus 10x cross multiply. Mau cross multiply, mau by 1 multiply itu mau 5 pinai. Oke, mau by 5 multiply yang naik heda 11x plus 50. Okay, x square plus 10x equal to 55x plus 250. Okay, x square plus 10x minus 55x minus 250 equal to 0. Okay, x square minus 45x minus 250 equal to 0. Takseng mono factorize kane 250 no. 250 no factorize kali na do ora kalian 250 no factorize kayak ke 5 50 5 10 5 2. Mungkin sing senamna nanggo 45 heda. Okay, let's check. 5 2 is 10. 10 5 is 50. Okay, 50 minus 5 45. Oh yes. Okay, 50 minus 5 or x square minus 50x. Ang 50 minus 5 50 minus 5 bracket silang direct sa ke section. Okay. 5x minus 45 equal to 0. Oh, sorry, 5x minus 250 equal to 0. Okay. So, ngoro na mo x minus 50 plus 5 x minus 50 equal to 0, which implies x minus 50 x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, either x minus 50 equal to 0, which implies x equal to 50, or x plus 5 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 5. Okay. So wait, or equal to task is here. Or the here now, which is not possible. Minus 5 to chini speed to minus negative may leda. Okay, therefore speed of the bus, original speed of the bus is speed of the bus equal to 50 km per hour. Among na chini speed. Clear? Nong no screenshot nanan bagai space ri rekha. Screenshot naka. Okay. Buji tong nable. Taksang comment for nai. Sunita Yadav, in which language you are teaching? I'm teaching in Quadratic, Sunita Yadav. I am from a northeastern state. It's called Tripura. Northeast. Once I get more audiences from the mainland, I can teach in English too, no problem. But for now, I'm focusing on my own dialect, okay? I am from Rajasthan, okay. Welcome, Sunita, welcome, welcome. Teach in English. Which class are you? You are class 10. Okay, I can teach in English. Or I can teach in English and Cockroach both, no problem. Once in a while I'll teach in English, once in a while I'll teach in Cockroach. But you subscribe the channel for English, but today I'll be teaching in Cockroach, okay? For English session, I'll keep a separate day, and I'll see if I get audience. Okay, I'll see if I get audience in that day. So depending on that, I'll be teaching in English. Okay, if I get more audience, then it's better. Okay, next question, Thalishanai. Next question. Mau the next question. Okay. Tago Tanisha. Tago Tanisha. Ready? A train. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. See, what kata mo? Uniform speed in share. Uniform speed. Uniform speed. Uniform speed means what? Uniform speed means speed remains constant. Speed will not change. Okay. Equal distance in equal intervals of time. Physics of Tom Taken for you. Hey, class 9 pro uniform speed. Okay. A train travels a distance of 480 km. So, और के सुनो पूरा full distance नहीं रखा. और के सुनो full distance नहीं रखा हो जाएगा. Train travels a distance of 480 km. So, when you will teach trigonometry? Trigonometry, let's see. Maybe starting from next month. Okay. After this, I'll be teaching arithmetic progression. And after that, arithmetic progression, either arithmetic progression or some applications of trigonometry. Not the introduction, but the application, heights and distance. After this, depending on boards, okay, depending on boards. I'll create a poll. Okay, see, a train travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Okay. और जगह पर train ni speed करना ना हो. Okay. Here also we have to find the speed of the train. We have to find the speed of the train. Now see, let's understand this with a diagram. Nadi. So, kaisa train dongani? We have a train. A train travels a distance of 480 km. Or train je tongo, bo already 480 km distance travel kaya. Okay? 480 km distance already travel kaya or train. 480 km distance already travel kaya. Tawag tanisha, sing to speed saimia. Do we know the speed here? No. In fact, we have to find the speed of the train. So, what shall we take? Sing saimia. We do not know the speed of the train. So, what shall we take? Anything that we don't know, we take it as x. So, x km per hour. So, x km per hour mana nai? ठीक है रे बा? ठीक ना बोले? Okay. And get out this is the distance. Now, we always convert, when we solve this, the speed, time and distance question, we always convert it into time. Sing time was lero, heda. Sing time was lero. So, tam sabi kya? Are yaar, our Hindi are not so clear. Even my Hindi is not clear. Okay. I'm good, not that good, but quite okay. My English is quite okay compared to Hindi. Compared to Hindi, my English is quite okay. So, time tamo, distance by speed. So, distance is 480, speed ke x, so 480 by x. So, orange me original time. This is my original time. Okay, this is my original time. Original time. Tabung na di. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, komi thangka, speed komi thangka, speed bus tong mani, speed x tong mani, 8 km per hour less ni thangka, komi thangka, which means I will have new speed tang nai, x km per hour less. And my speed was x, now it has reduced to 8 km per hour less. Okay, so tang nai, x minus 8 km per hour. Omong na yan in new speed. Omong na yan in new speed. But distance will be same. Distance will be same. But tamang ka difference tadi. So, I'll have a new time. New time. Because I have a new speed, I will have a new time. ঠিক না le? New speed ni darto yan new time dong nai. Tamang ka distance 480. Speed bus mo tama ni new time. Okay? Tabuk na di tricks. Tabuk na di. Okay. actually trick bu ya concept ta concept okay tang lagi nong no new time minus original time minus new time ini phwrwng liya omo tabuk je phwrwngnai abo je jaga phano use khaimano question just kepan guri ritheng nang je jaga phano use khaimano jar wa new time minus original time minus new time ini rijak abo hangga kisa question slaijak nang confusing mano buska but omo je tabuk phwrwngnai confusing ya thani nari जों first rule number 1 जों on new time no left hand side tonai always mo bai se compare khane जों rule number 1 we'll always keep our new time towards left hand side fix it mo fix khair ni clear da mo okay khlai dong ni kaham ke khlai dong ni ekdom concentrate new time no जों always debaradi gi tonai left hand side tonai equal to nai tak omo bai जों compare khane tamon charo it would have taken, now you have to read the sentence, okay? Sentence for the book. It would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. To cover the same distance, 3 hours besi nang naipu. Okay? Tam sabaron lagi. Ko pilan simi. 480 km engka ani train ko ani traveling distance. Engke time speed engka x km per hour. So original time distance by speed. Now if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, speed kami mane x minus 8 thang chenai x tong mane x minus 8 thang chenai kami mane minus 8 ba ada engke ketal time man chenai yang 480 by x minus 8 engke ang original time mangkha ketal time mangkha tak tam khinai engko new time no seng ko debradi gi tono abo na jita original time no seng yagradi gi tonai tam khinai are kalgar ses tam khinai original time yagra tonoi or tam sejak 3 hours more ni sejak 3 hours more mane tamo more mane plus heda less mane minus time ota time or ya or less speed ya time os nai di chung bo jaga nai time you have to see in time not the speed okay in time 3 hours more mane tamba plus 3 original time plus 3 ngai ko omong na chini equation clear da clear engke sadi chato clear in sadi chato yes Sunita please do suggest and if you are active I will surely teach you in English okay or I can create a separate batch which I can teach in English for English I can create a separate batch if at least 10 to 15 of you join okay clear okay jotono clear okay belai hambai tabuk जों kok thayo soyei khailai sinai kok thayo sinai let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour so time taken to travel a distance what is the distance time taken to travel a distance 480 km so time will be distance by speed 480 by x this is our original time now our speed if the speed had been 8 km per hour less so we'll get new speed now lesser speed okay so if my speed is lesser obviously I'll need more time to reach the destination ठीक दा ani speed ko among ka ang sogina ni isa time nang nai new speed of the train x minus 8 km per hour so we'll write new time taken to travel a distance 480 km tang na ke distance this is the distance by speed this is our new time now according to question we can make our equation tam khai first step new time we always keep it in the left hand side ठीक दा new time no seng debradi gi tono ketal original time no seng ya garadi gi tono okay original time no seng ya garadi gi tono What is written here? 3 hours more. 3 hours more means more mane kebang, kebang mane plus, so plus 3. Okay, tabuk omono seng yang tu businai 480 by x minus 8 yang tu businai ko. Minus 480 by x by x kenang no. X by x kenang no. Yang tu businai ta equal to 3. Now, how to solve this? How to solve this? In numerator, we can see 480. Numerator sung 480 nu kaheda. Isung 480 common na mano. 1 by x minus 8. Hayang nai. Hayang nai. Kyo mo. Sung tama na yoro. 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 480. Mokat kene. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3. 3 160. Kyo mo sung LCM na koro x minus 8. So x minus, then I'll have to put a bracket here. 1 by 160. Tamane jaga x minus x plus 8. Mana x square minus 8x by 1. Mau cut or torm 8 simi cross multiply x square minus 8x into 1 tang nai x square minus 8x which is equal to 1 or 160 or jaga ke 8. So 160 into 8. 160 into 8 besek nai. 160 into 8 is 6 8 is 48. 8 and then 4. 8 1 8. So 12. 1280. Okay. X square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. ठीक दा? Okay? Hari do, senyari. Senyari. Speed. Time variable. Kita 1280 no sabay di. 2640 2320 2160 280 240. अच्छा मोते sabay na ya 40 man ka or 32 man itong actually ko 2 2 is 4 32. So 40 minus 32 kaya mo 40 minus 32 x square minus 40 minus 32 x minus 1280 equal to 0 ko. ठीक दा yang tes sabali ata ko 40 man jong or 32 man jong ko 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 8 to the 16 16 to the 32 40 minus 32 ke 8 thayo gang yang tes sabali ata. Okay, okay, x square minus 40x plus 32x minus 1280 equal to 0. Okay, x ko minus 40 plus 32x obviously 40 nung 9. Okay, which implies x minus 40 x plus 32 equal to 0. So either x minus 40 equal to 0, which implies x equal to 40, or x plus 32 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 32. Okay, minus 32, which is not possible. Minus 32 is not possible because speed cannot be negative. We cannot get a negative speed. Okay, x equal to 40. Okay? Okay, chini speed of the train. Therefore, or last sibang kasi speed of the train. Speed of the train is 40 kilometer per hour. Clear? Screenshot now. Nang space clear ko. Screenshot na nani ko. Naka? Screenshot naka? Okay. Okay. Yes. Tini kusu active bango. Belanya khatong thokka. 40. Yes. Rajiv 40 kilometer per hour. Yes. So Sahel. Sahel good. Kathar good. Yes. Kuno doubts kiri nyale? Kaya punya doubts tongke sengi mano? Sengi mano? Kaya punya doubts tongke? Okay. Okay. Kuno reply gerai mana to doubts gerai. So doubts gerai yang aku kha. Okay. Next question. Mau ke alka? Mau board question aja orang nunggu makana. Dui bar, 2 times. Okay. 2 times. Mau to tiap yang to do 2021, 2023 rogo pajak sih mau. Okay. So quite an important. This year, konong ni year ni bagi important. 2026 ni bagi or time and distance. The time and work putong mo teka siya. Okay. Same way. Almost same way. Find the original speed of the train. Okay, signal aja. Okay, tan sila ni chun. Let the original speed of the train. Let the original speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Okay? Mongka original speed. Let the original speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Time taken. Kasang tam karna hai. Time taken. A train covers a distance of 300 kilometer. 300 kilometer distance travel kai ko. This is already given. So this train has already traveled 300 kilometer. Okay? So we assume that the speed of the train is x. After that, tabok sang time ka disinay. Time taken to travel a distance of 300 kilometer will be equal to distance is 300 divided by speed. Distance by speed. So time, original time pasang nanay 300 by x. Tabok to clear ang kinamoro. Okay. Now we'll have new speed of the train. Train ni ketal speed. What is that new speed? Let's see. Let's read the question. Speed of the train is increased. Okay, here the speed of the train is increased. Or else train ni je speed tong mani bare rekha. Deshao bare rekha po bare rekha. Besek bare rekha 5 km per hour. 5 km per hour bare rekha. Sekangguan speed besek tong mani. Sekangguan speed x tong mani. 5 km per hour bare rekha. Mane tang nai x plus 5. ठीक ना बोले? Okay. Okay, संगापन सिले नहीं. -5 रोकन सीजार दी. X plus 5 increase singke ba, decrease singke se minus ngai bele, increase singke to plus sang nai. Heda. New speed of the train so sang karenai new time taken by train. Maksudnya new time taken by a train. New time taken to travel. Ini sih nai. To travel a distance besar of 300 kilometer. It will be 300 by x plus 5. Kita tabok sini orang new time betongo, sini orang apa betongo. ठीक दा? Kita nong saka. Method equation by kes namnai. Equation by kes namnai. New time no dia berarti we always keep new time towards left hand side. Ada? Okay, new time no seng dia berarti toni renai ko hai ke toni rekhada new time no dia berarti equal to original time sini seng original time tamba moda original time. Okay, new time or sirka original time or tabok tani shaw jaga ampe ke seng time ni pornai. We'll read this. Check this part. 2 hours tani sha 2 hours less mane tamo komika 2 hours less mane less mane tamo plus dang minus so tam rana seng -2 bas seng kha tak mana seng solve khaitang ke seng quadratic equation manai. Okay, seng quadratic equation solve khaitang ke chini o particular equation ni or particular question ni answer manai. On 26 watching. Okay, 50 watching nong nang ta 30 watching 40 watching kete waram nang eda kabang mas student no eklogi phurang ka do ketam khane mo 300 x plus 5 minus 300 by x mana yang tu bukai ko 300 by x yang tu ka minus equal to -2. Okay, tang mono solve khai thang ni kita mana cungoro 300 minus 2 tong gatheng. Okay. 300 or 1 by x plus 5 minus 1 by x 300 diklay katai ko or phaika. Okay, minus 2 300 yang thang ke tola thang painai heda. Kita mana ba cungoro 1 by x plus 5 minus 1 by x is equal to minus 2 by 300. Okay, mokat khinai or minus 1 nai or 150 minus 1 by 150. So LCM na kasing x into x plus 5. Okay, x plus 5 by x plus x minus x by x cut. Tam turun na x plus 5 bracket dari kani mono minus 1 by 150. So x minus x tang nai mo minus 5 x square plus 5x equal to minus 1 by 150. X minus x kadang nai. Okay, yang lagi oro minus 5 x square plus 5x equal to minus 1 by 150. Oro minus tong kau minus by minus cut kiri sini. Tabuk sing cross multiply kini. Now we'll cross multiply it. Cross multiply kita mana? X square plus 5x into 1 we'll get x square plus 5x equal to 5 into 150. Betul? 750. 15 into 5 75 ya, Pak. 5 into 15 75. So 0 kasi di kata ko. Okay? Engkau rata mana jeng x square plus 5x minus 750 equal to 0. Kasi 750 no tabuk sabay lain. 5 by 150 mano 5 by 30 mano. Okay, 30 mano nana ji 5 5 is 25 bungo to. 5 5 is 25 deng. 25 bungo heda 5 5 is 25. 30 minus 25 5 bungo thango. Kasi more relation x square plus 30 not is sabay letang. Okay. 30 minus 25x minus 750 equal to 0. Okay. X square plus 30x minus 25x minus 750 equal to 0. So x common x plus 30 minus 25 common x plus 30 equal to 0, which implies x plus 30 x minus 25 equal to 0. Kasi ngortam sisinay either x plus 30 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 30, or x equal to x minus 25 equal to 0, which implies x equal to 25. Minus 30 was intani sinay. Minus 30 was sinay siya, which is not possible. Which is not possible. So therefore, x equal to 25 is that. So original speed of the train. Original speed of the train. Original speed of the train is tangnay 25 km per hour. So among na chini o question ni particular solution. Screenshot now di. Screenshot now di. Naka screenshot. Okay. Okay. X equal to 25 money. Yes. Hello, sweet poison girl for Babri. Why poison? So, sweet poison girl, a question for you. When a poison expires, does it become more poisonous? Okay? Saya mang answer di. If you know the answer, comment in the chat. If poison expires, does the poison become more poisonous? Huh? Okay, clear na le? Joto no clear? Next question aku glay mangka. Aku glay jamangka. Aku glay mangka ini tadi. Joto no ini. Type kabedi. Nashing tongwang. Okay. Yes. Clear. Okay, yes. Gaurav, Alencha, Rosina, Elia, Jora, Ayushri, Anita, yes. Sahel, yes. Animes, Kathar, Resmi, Pohar. Okay. Okay. Do. tabok na ji o jaga mo bo same no same no tabok time and distance teng saimang ka tabok norok easily khemano okay easily khemano question nuk nable amne clear ngale question clear kin nuk nable na net to ati mang nung nai tam khai net o time ang ka no slong thang sido sai mi market da kasa okay clear no na okay da solution tam sana ji while boarding an aeroplane a passenger got hurt ang mo question of buju mani abot thanglia do ang just tam snamni man abos na lesson mo to norok bujin dong no english bujiyo he diba while boarding an aeroplane a passenger got hurt dukhumang kapu the pilot showing promptness kisha borak kaham concern ganang made arrangements to hospitalize the injured and so the plane mo se iko first part omo plane started late by 30 minutes 30 minutes chin is a plane late in kan started late by 30 minutes to reach the destination 1500 kilometer away okay ko chini distance re ka sungno distance re ka distance bus distance 1500 kilometer re ka 1500 kilometer sungno distance re ka okay tabo the pilot increased the speed by 100 kilometer per hour pilot tam kya speed bar re ka speed bar re ka ni shao bus bar re ka 100 kilometer per hour speed bar re ka okay 100 kilometer per hour speed bar re ka ni shao ga find the original speed of the plane kasi ngom tegan kana same omo kuni ora ko bus ni jaga train ni jaga aeroplane ng kanga saksi kha asik bai kan ma jengle train ni khai ka jengle bus ni khai ka exam aeroplane ni phaira ga ma mangala kha kono aya am dekeng ya okay concept clear ka aram se khaman ob aeroplane bus hogan slemo butang khaba doesn't matter heda jengle problem jeng promang nai jeng nubia heda jeng nubudaya jeng pro oro jotano do nari tabo tan sharo original speed of the plane kar den chao because jeng tamne sileu nai let the original speed of the plane norok sain manu mo tam na lanyai x kilometer per hour iko norok mone sai dong kana x kilometer per hour ni ko abon siu nok je samani abon sinai engke tabu time taken to travel bas travel ke ba plane time taken to travel a distance bas 1500 kilometer heda 1500 kilometer gatang na ba time tang na ba distance asek speed asek iko mong ka chini original time tabok sang manai new speed of the plane ठीक दा 30 मिनट लेट नि सका गबा 30 मिनट लेट ng hangga time os hogina ni bagi bo speed ma bari rekha ni so besek speed bari rekha pilot increased the speed by 100 km per hour bo speed 100 km per hour bari rekha ani speed besek tong mani x tong mani 100 km per hour bari rekha mane tang nai x plus 100 heda okay x plus 100 kilometer per hour kawan pore time taken to travel sorry time ya new time nishlenya heda new time taken to travel a distance besek 1500 kilometer okay 1500 divided by tangnai x plus 100 mong na chini new time tak according to question tangnai according to question seng new time no yang ru heda mono oro tam khaba started late by 10 minutes started late by 10 minutes gatang nai sagad do plus 2 dang nai sorry 30 minutes 10 minutes रखो 30 minutes तक ना दिसंग 30 minutes नि रजाक दो कासे जिनिस मोजन दाग दे मत जतन hour नसि अमले 30 minutes सो रजाक इनके 30 minutes नसो hour कन्वर्ट खाने के ताम खाइबा 30 no 60 no 60 बाय खाइ नारि वाइ सो 30 नि रिया वे नंग एग्जाम 45 रखनि रि मानो 40 रखनि रि मानो 50 रखनि रि मानो जेकुन नंबर रि मानो हेदा minutes सो गाबन ताम खाइनाय hour कन्वर्ट खाने के 60 बाय डिवाइड खाइनाय ठीक दले 30 by 60 बसक नाय 1 by 2 1 by 2 नाय half hour नाय बुझका hour बसक नाय half hour नाय तब ओ half hour plus द नाय ना minus द नाय सागारि दन र plus सिनि साबायो द नायलायगोन द द plus half रि का ओके तब सॉल्व करि द सॉल्व करि इक्वेशन ता मान सारि दन द इक्वेशन टाइप करि र सॉल्व खाइ नंग टाइम रि दं अमो सॉल्व खाइ बा नंग टाइम रि दं द इक्वेशन सिमि सारि x नि वैल्यू सान नाया क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सिमि सारि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सिमि सारि द 2 minutes टाइमर इथका यस लगाओ द 2 minutes टाइम नंग बागै करदि x square plus 100x minus 3 about tam delete कर का एलिया x square plus 100x दमो सॉल्व कने त न क्लास रि खेकाबले द क्लास रि नेले नि हागे माननाय हायंनाय टाइम का बिको केब सायाबला हा एलिया साका यस रोजिना साका यस ओके तांनाव जगा 1500 कॉमन okay 1 by x plus 100 minus 1 by x equal to half okay और x by x plus 100 इन थांनाय और मैं काट के x तोरनाय minus x minus 100 हाइन थानाय एदा okay मो तो multiply इन नाय into 1500 yang इन नाय एदा okay मो x minus plus 100 नाय मो x square plus 100x नाय मो 1 okay x minus x cut tam mana yang ro cross multiply khaja ke equal to 3 lakhs okay mana yang x square plus 100x minus 3 lakhs equal to 0 tako 3 lakhs na sabari yes correct 5 times 0 elia yes 5 times 0 30,000 ya 5 times 0 tamo elia be rujina simi answer isu bad bak kile tamo do kokre sinaka na de time cover khaina ni mo to time cover khajak sible mo tam ba mo new time cover khajak si hedeba obviously plus ngine ble time se cover khajak mo time cover khajak ya ni ya time cover khajak si ko time cover khajak original time ho 3.5 minutes late mani no time cover khai khip ka ko or time ठीक dah amage plus ang yuta okay nah tang này 3 lakhs nó sao đi tang man này 2 2 by 5 by thằng 2 cái bela lên thằng này 5 by 5 6 60,000 ang này cái 5 12,000 ang này cái 5 4 5 4 4 5 2 10 5 4 24 cái 5 4 24 8 0 2 2 4 0 2 1 2 0 2 6 0 2 30 2 15 3 5 5 4 are 20 0 4 5 is 40 yes tabo korta mana sini और चेक करने लेने जंग दो kesak baik bujang ini jat oke 5 5 5 is 25 25 okay 25 2 banyak lagi nah 25 2 are 4 are mau 4 pilih di sini 25 4 are 100 okay 100 100 okay mau 3 to the 600 na kara do okay 5 to the 10 10 to the 20 500 5 5 is 25 25 4 is 100 ini ako basang nang basang oro 100 100 na seng 100 nang heda 100 nang okay batar 5 or 25 manai 400 to the 6 okay 600 5 4 is 20 500 yes yes 500 600 t 500 manai asik daman kan orok jotono 600 t 500 okay 600 t 500 manai ngomong ke 500 manai upuri 500 manai ko mau cepat bagi multiply kan aja mau 500 manai okay 5 5 is 25 25 4 is 100 100 5 is 500 okay ke jawab kesak multiply kan jadi 600 manai so 600 minus 500 105 kesak manai x square plus 600 minus 500 x minus 3 lakhs equal to 0 so x square plus 600x minus 500x minus 3 lakhs equal to 0 so x common na ke x plus 600 minus 500 common na ke or x plus 600 equal to 0 so which implies x plus 600 x minus 500 equal to 0 so either x plus 600 equal to 0 which implies x equal to minus 600 or x minus 500 equal to 0 which implies x equal to 500 okay therefore original speed of the plane original speed of the plane besang sina hai original speed of the plane is 500 kilometer per hour okay senjadi mo ya ba ke screenshot ring adi nakha okay 500 yes 500 area yes Radhika Sahel yes Rojina yes correct take no besok time ka chang mani stream 1 hour besok 1 hour ni sijak 2 hours bara sang stream khani ya okay battery pai thango okay te kota problem tong busido okay mo clear nale agulai jamang sari agulai mangka ke ihini sari agulai mangka ihini sari I sari dari agulai mangka okay I okay अच्छा all right, next question omo actually ang standard ni o question mo bojaga mangkang sawana omo ang oswal mamani oswal ni okay standard ni je sample paper kri ba oswal je sample paper tongo a jaga o particular question tongo okay 5 marks ni nong nong imang 5 marks tak mo slightly different approach ngai mo slightly different approach ngai nai tani sa oro a train covered a certain distance at uniform speed tak o jaga no question kaham ke pori ne ke o jaga sino distance re jaga distance re jaga o jaga a train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed certain distance ni sao but tama distance abo sino saya okay okay if the train had been 6 km per hour faster it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time whereas the train were slower by 6 km per hour it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time find the length of the journey so aro chungno journey ni length kar din sao mane omo oran simi or thangani basik distance na kani sao okay ge speed bu sami na joro oro speed to na je moto tani saba 6 km per hour faster engka ge ni si sao 6 km per hour faster engka ge if the speed if the train had been 6 km per hour faster ta ko jaga bo if the train were slower by 6 km per hour hingke o jaga suno asik 6 km per hour bang khangke eba 6 km per hour komi khake almost a condition jak sungno hingke speed actually besik sungno se saya speed bu saja gya distance bu saja gya speed bu saja gya ta o particular question hingke sing distance no dam nala nyek d hinin nala nyek capital D distance no sing d hinin nai thang nyek eba ke x y hini bone man kok kare but ang d hinin na shinai okay ang distance no d hinin naka speed no x hinin na shinai clear distance no d hinin na shinai speed no x hinin na shinai okay let the distance traveled be traveled by train be d kilometer hai b capital D kilometer okay speed of the train tang na speed of the train x kilometer per hour hinna like okay speed of the train ke sing nakha x kilometer per hour tabuk sing first puilawo just o part no concentrate khalenge just o part no it would have taken 4 hours less monok sing tabuk focus khalene just o first part no o first part ni sing equations na mane tabuk original time tabuk no original time oranta to hi series on to time taken to travel a distance besok d kilometer travel khanya ni besok time nang nai mong kha total distance d speed besok x hera distance by time ko mong kha chini time nang mani original time asang nang nai tabak sung mo by equations nang nai according to question tang nai if the train had been 6 km per hour faster train jodi 6 km per hour faster ang khangke okay 6 km you speed more like chini train tamo 6 km per hour faster okay new speed of the train 6 km per hour faster mane tamo x plus 6 km per hour okay new time taken bisa d by x plus 6 among 9 6 km per hour faster ke ba do ya deba do unka to plus so x plus 6 tabuk omoni equation samne jeng according to question tak phaisinai sing ketal time no biang ra ketal time no sing yang ro ko d x plus 6 equal to ketal time no sing yang ro eda kesam time no sing original time no biang ra sing original time or ko ठीक दा ketal new time no yang ro original time no yang ro tak tani sija ko jaga 4 hours less mane tamo minus so minus 4 बुझ kada clear da clear in chadi लगाओ chat में सर थिक्के से नुक जगलिया का हाई क्वालिटी हो ना जी किसा पिक्स को अब बार दी नंग at least 360p रोगा ना जी okay clear okay tabuk mo d by x plus 6 or anything d ni value just d ni value to nai okay D ni value tannai ke dy x equal to minus 4 ke oro D ni value tangnai 1 by x plus 6 minus 1 by x equal to minus 4 ke mono just solve kaligini sing tam mane o jaga x into x plus 6 okay, x minus x plus 6 equal to minus 4 okay ke oro sing manai capital D mo bracket sabai kake x minus 6 mo tola manai x square plus 6x equal to minus 4 x minus x cut saka to mo torok sinai minus 6 by x square plus 6x equal to minus 4 okay or minus cut okay okay d equal to 4 into omo yang thangke o 6 by x square plus 6x yang thangke tangnai ultang thangnai ulta reciprocal yang thangnai heda okay or manai x square plus 6x by 6 okay mo cut ke 2 mo cut ke 3 okay d equal to 2 by 3 x square plus 6x mono equation number 1 asik makasang puya wa 2 by 3 x square plus 6x okay okay mo tak first part siko tak second part to ngomon alini second part to ngomon alini ko whereas the train were slower iko slower tak slower ni sing nailenya slower kita mo slower speed of the train okay ora slower speed of the train kusuk slower speed 6 x minus new slower speed of the train x minus 6 kilometer per hour slower sehingga ba minus ngai heda slower speed okay x minus 6 hangkang ke new time ngai new time again new time taken for slower speed ni bagai iya ang for slower speed ini sih new time taken ini sirka okay new time taken tang nai distance to asuk distance by speed okay according to question tamang nai new time no sung yang according to question the new time no sung yang tono heda de berarti gi original time no sung oro hake tono abuni ya gulo tani shaw jaga sing sini statement pore layo nai tamo statement 6 hours more ni shaw jaga 6 hours more mane tamo plus 6 hours more mane plus 6 so plus 6 rodi amana yang tubuh di dx minus 6 minus d by x is equal to 6 okay or d common na kake 1 by x minus 6 minus 1 by x equal to 6 okay so d or tamanai x into x minus 6 okay x minus 6 by x minus x minus 6 equal to 6 so d x minus x plus 6 okay x square minus 6x equal to 6 6 nila okay okay mo cut kita manai d equal to 6 into x square minus 6x by 6 mo cut so tamang karo d equal to x square minus 6x mo kachin equation number 2 tabuk o jaga nai ni o kaini no nai ni o kaini no nari omo bu d ni value ठीक दा omo bu d ni value kaini no ding nable ठीक दा omo bu d ni value ko 2 by 3x square plus 6x omo bu d ni value x square minus 6x omo bu chini d ni value so obviously bo equal ngai kaini si d hingke ba o equation by o equation tang nai borok equal ngai so from 1 and 2 sing tam siman sing from 1 and 2 siman from 1 and 2 from 1 and 2 we get more 2 by 3 x square plus 6x equal to x square minus 6x okay 3 no angry hodi gorta manai 2x square plus 6x is equal to 3 into x square minus 6x gor manai cheng 2x square plus 12x equal to 3x square minus 18x okay 2x square minus 3x square mono yang tu kata okay plus 12x plus 18x equal to 0 or manai minus x square plus 30x equal to 0 orang minus x common nakha orang mana x minus 30 equal to 0 tidak minus x common nakha so x into x square minus minus into minus plus so x into 30 30x okay minus into minus plus x into 30 30x angke either taman seng minus x equal to 0 okay x equal to tang nai 0 tang nai minus x equal to 0 mana tadi minus x equal to 0 mana minus 1 into x equal to 0 nah ada okay x equal to 0 by minus 1 0 by minus 1 berapa 0 mau ang siliata clear direct sirga minus x equal to 0 okay obviously sini x equal to 0 nai or teka satang nai x minus 30 equal to 0 which implies x equal to 30 x besar 30 x ni value 30 x tama sini speed mungkin nanti speed of the train tama yes speed of the train is 30 kilometer per hour but chungno speed kar din saya ko question no chungno tam kar din cha length of the journey distance kar din chau so o x ni value je 30 to mane oro box adi eba ko oro box adi bomo chikon khunuk ba obviously ko equation 2 so chung equation 2 box nai equation 2 box nai ketang nai mo ko purbai sir sana jo tamang nai mo d equal to x square mana 30 square minus 6 into 30 ke 30 square besar 900 minus 180 okay 0 2 720 kilometer mong na chini distance besar distance 720 kilometer hi screenshot na dia omale na screenshot naka screenshot okay clear dah bahing zak question share ang zak ke type kher di share question share ang zak ke type kher di share ang ni type kher di प्रियांशी ओ नाइस बट मुझे ये लैंग्वेज नहीं आती ओके आप लोग को हिंदी आती है हिंदी not that fluent okay not that fluent Priyanshi yes do subscribe thank you Priyanshi for subscribing the channel share acha okay share jotan share okay agulai mangkha chino time besok tong kan size mali or time started 1 hour ago ni sipai dong chino ko better da khatak kathang pano samia or le time sirjak na di ko tani rizak 8 minutes time asuk bara tana din chau okay to mobo sung solve kalen ngi to tam kar din sha a fast train or ke sungno fast train slow train in rizak asuk se difference fast train tongo iko slow train tongo do gatani sha jaga a fast train takes 3 hours less than a slow train dasu do wongke bo nari fast train ni chao so fast train si ka ke dasu do nai bo dasu do mane সময় কম নাংনাই slow train ni sai সময় কম নাংনাই datin sogine ta datin sogine mane tamba সময় কম নাংনাই ble hediba so a fast train takes 3 hours less than a slow train for a journey of 600 km okay distance tumari rekha distance besar distance tumari rekha 600 km if the speed of the slow train is 10 km per hour less than the fast train okay speed of the kilometer tamo speed of the slow train not speed of the kilometer sorry speed of the slow train tamo 10 km per hour less 10 km per hour less than the fast train ini show angkangke let tanya nyai let the speed of the fast train be tamo speed of the fast train be x kilometer per hour angkangke speed of the slow train tang nai speed of the slow train x minus kansha 10 km per hour less than the fast train mane x minus 10 speed of the slow train x minus 10 km per hour now time taken by a fast train to travel besar 600 kilometer. To travel 600 kilometer. What is the time? Distance by speed. Second, again, time taken by or kuno new speed dokni kari ka because of a fast train, slow train ini saya rasa. So time taken by a slow train to travel besek 600 kilometer. Same distance to travel kayo. Okay, distance by speed. Slow train ni speed besek ba x minus 10. Tag equation sama ni sini sebakio jaga kinang itaka. Equation tang nai or first sentence por equation sama. Tamo fast train takes 3 hour less. Fast train tamo bomo fast train sini. Fast train ni time mo. Fast train ni time tamo iko. This is our first fast train ni time mo. Heda? Fast train takes 3 hour less. Tamo 3 hours less ngai heda. 3 hours less ngai. Sawan sa 3 hours less ngai. Sawan sa 3 hours less ngai. Slow train is 3 hours less. Iko minus 3. Oi. Minus 10, minus 3. Clear damo? Bubuji ka? O equation bubuji ka? Clear in type kadi. O equation bubuji ka clear in type kadi. Bye bye sir. Nice to meet you all. Have a good night. Okay. Good night. Good night. Good night. Clear in chari mo. O equation. Papat. Dakti. Clear. Okay. Elia clear. Rojina clear. Jora clear. Yes. Sir nang share no. 5 mark confirm in quadratic equation. What problem mo? Ang pano amti questions kaya ko agyo. Yes, Supra. Apuno sari ko. Busuk di class 10 no. All level ni kaya ko kebo. Kubikok. Bujika. Paid batches apa semising mano. Ang emon kirutugin no kaya dito. Bujika. Kalay nay. Asik kemang ma kalay kele sanan lap kiri. Kalay nay. Obviously. Joto topic sih kayo mane kalay nay obvious. Do, clear? Okay. 600 by x amana yang tu bunay minus 600 by x minus 10 equal to minus 3. Okay. 600 common na nay jeng 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 10 equal to minus 3. Okay. 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 10 equal to minus 3 by 600 or some common multiply LCM x into x minus 10 x minus 10 kemoy mokat x minus 10 turun na yan yang tong na minus x yang tong na mokat 200 heda minus 1 by 200 o x by minus x kateng tang na or tam turun na minus 10 turun na sakawo os tola torok nai direct multiply question nai x square minus 10 x man nai tola oro tong nai minus 1 by 200 ke oro mo minus by minus cut kero di getang nai mo x square minus 10 x equal to 200 into 10 cross multiply 2000 yang tu gunai sing tahu x square minus 10 x minus 2000 equal to 0 okay 2000 no sabai lagi na 2000 no sabai kita man nai 1000 man nai 500 man nai 250 man nai direct 5 basis 550 man nai okay 50 mang rakha do 50 mang rakha mo 40 jang nai kira 2 to the 4 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 8 5 to the 40 yes 14 omo 14 go okay 50 minus 40 sing khai mangka 50 minus 40 sing khai mangka x square minus ang direct sini jo bracket sebai jakke 50x plus 40x minus 2000 equal to 0. So x minus 50 plus 40 x minus 50 equal to 0 which implies x minus 50 x plus 40 equal to 0. Okay, either x minus 50 equal to 0 which implies x equal to 50 okay which implies x equal to 50 or x plus 40 equal to 0 which implies x equal to minus 40. अच्छा किसा light charge पाई क्या दो किसा wait असं लगे ना okay point selai mar kata okay do kita man हो जाएगा मतलब which is not possible है which is not possible. Therefore, speed of the train, speed of fast train fast train tam chini fast train ka x mane no 50 ko x 50 ada ba so 50 km per hour. Okay, speed of the slower train besar x minus 10 so 50 minus 10 besar 50 minus 10 40 so mongga chini speed of two trains ni screenshot now di okay naka okay clear more clear so next question aku question okay okay ko charge pai thang nasi ko camera ni charge pai thang nasi okay aku question next question yes pai ka chini upstream downstream ready da upstream downstream ni bagi ready kain equation se khaira nai upstream downstream ready da reading type kadi papat dakti reading type kadi okay ekdom focus bujka काम के खना दे upstream downstream equation all next student no doubt mujago mo clearing ya rokongo bujiya rokongo concept bujiya rokongo so काम के खना दे okay nadi first of all upstream mane tamo nadi sini puilawo room tongnai room bujika room boat tui lori amotabuk still water boni speed jaknai okay puilawo still water mane tui loria pukri rokhai pan hini wansuk chidi tui loria lake rokhni pan wansuk lake okay lake mane flow ngoi dong ta okay still water boat ni speed rejaknai sung noi ko still water puilawo clear aboni pore still water ni pore sung thangsenai upstream te downstream upstream mane tamba upstream mane mongkha river romdi mongkha river okay mongkha river ke yang plong tongo nodi ke yang plong gui tongo yang ka thangsenai ko rung ke yang thangsenai mono hono sung upstream heda o mono hono sung upstream nodi ke yang thang tongo opposite direction ta rung opposite direction lo thang tongo je river flow mani direction ni rung opposite direction lo thangai tongo abono ko hono sung upstream downstream ke tamo nodi jodi no yang direction thangke rung bu yang direction lo thangnai same direction moka downstream eba downstream hai bung mane komo same direction ni deba yang no nodi thango chini river okay tuima yang thango te boat yang thango okay same direction lo thango clear nale asuk dora clear da clear hin chadi clear hin chawdi asuk dora dari nasing tong clear okay tang nadi tam snam nang no ekdom thaske kaisa side o जों tables namai khelene table okay tables namai khelene kaisa digi suitondi upstream engka to yang kusogo sisiwan to wait kaisa digi suitondi upstream hanai te kaisa suitondi downstream hanai engka Mari, motam ni question ba upstream downstream ni question par mo time and distance ni ble time and distance mane no sing timos lainai so o jaga bo upstream downstream question obo sing time ono salainai o jaga bo okay nari upstream downstream yang upstream naka yang downstream naka or tinta table tondi hai no kaisa easy omte khaki easy yarungu to hai no ngangke o jaga tondi distance d by sikado or a distance or a speed or a time tonation clear okay or a distance tonnai sakawa kini gisara speed tonnai sing kini ambake last time tonnai tagadi okay so nakar din chawa find the speed of the stream but sing pula given silega given tam result speed of the boat in still water still water 15 km per hour okay 15 km per hour find the speed of the stream okay speed of the stream so no speed of the stream mane a river ni speed kar din chao river of speed of the flow ngai tong nordio besek speed of flow ngitong abakar din chau geseng saimea pai ni chau so obviously sing x mana nai okay let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour okay clear tabuk speed of the boat okay speed of the boat upstream tang nai upstream mo chara di upstream hong ka ke boat speed minus stream speed ngai mo sinyar di upstream ang khangke downstream khangke screenshot nai na gre tabang bagajo ola sinyari streams speed ngai screenshot ready khatrak rekha ang husinai okay renya kable buka boat speed minus stream speed ngai upstream khangke so speed of the boat upstream or speed of the boat tamo boat ni speed minus stream ni speed ko 15 minus x kita book speed of the boat bo jaga downstream speed of the boat downstream tang nai 15 plus x clear asuk jora clear na le chadi clear da 17 watching upstream downstream also 17 watching na hari asik important topic ona sa yakare thang bai ai re bai keng nai tikhe omosi nangmani okay tabuk masuk sika tabuk sung tables nam lesina or tables nam ka mane nang equations nam mangka okay tadi tabuk tanisha moto sung senya ka tabuk abani pore sama sao it goes 30 kilometer upstream and returns back at the same point or time sung all nai 4 hours 30 minutes time all nai sung apa it goes 30 kilometer upstream and returns back ni sao mane 30 kilometer upstream thangka return back mane tamba phirogi phaikwa so 30 kilometer thangka 30 kilometer phaikya mane the upstream by downstream base distance 30 kilometer hai okay distance sir kai ko 30 kilometer thangka 30 kilometer phaikya ko 30 kilometer upstream and returns back at the same point okay speed base ba upstream ni speed or tamo okni ke saro stream ni ko chini upstream ni speed tamo ko 15 minus x or upstream ni downstream ni tamo 15 plus x hale downstream ni 15 plus x okay as the clear the table sorry yes clear ka yes clear ka yes okay tang aja or third table tamo third table ka time tamo distance by speed distance besek 30 speed besek eko 15 by eko mo divide tai mo divide eko kaseng time mang khale mo ke upstream thangani time o mo ke upstream thangani time o mo ke downstream thangani time mo ke upstream ni time o mo ke downstream ni time mane pe kasa wah time mane pe kya upstream ni time eko downstream ni time eko kaseng ora sin jelasinai time taken to go upstream by a boat to go sekarang arah sinyalnya bukan apa yang semua harus ipin to go upstream tang nai 30 by 15 minus x okay time taken by a boat to go downstream thang nani time tamo 30 by 15 plus x. Okay, tag equation by kas namnai. Equations namnai. Tag equations namaka sing sentence por lachinai. Tamo it goes 30 km upstream and returns back at the same point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Ampo kelas sih. Tabo ke kelas yang thangai ko. In 4 hours 30 minutes. 4 hours 30 minutes so upstream thangai downstream phaipi kha. Mane phirogi thangka. phirogi thanga. Thangai phiroka. Okay, mat phirogi thangka. Thangka phiroka. Thangai mane upstream thangka downstream tesha phaikoa same point of phaika. Bujka? Thangkai ko among a point yang upstream thangka downstream phaika oro sok phaika. Engke oro sok phaipina ni time basik nangka ni sha 4 hours 30 minutes mane upstream by downstream no plus no ma khene bile. He deba ko mo thangka mo phaika ko asik time total time ya deba. Thangka phiroka total time basik 4 hours 30 minutes mane om by om plus. Sini total time plus ang sinai. According to question, tamang sinai 30 by 15 minus x plus 30 by 15 plus x is equal to 4 hours 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Tadi 4 hours 30 minutes mana tambah? 4.5 minutes. Ida 4 hours 30 minutes rokin sita. 4.5 hour. 30 minutes mana tambah? Half hour ya diba? So 4.5 hour. Okay. Ini mau 30 orang tiklay mang kasing orang mana 15 minus x plus 1 by 15 plus x omong na 9 by 2 30 no yang di mana sih kita mana 1 by 15 minus x plus 1 by 15 plus x equal to 9 by 2 into 1 by 30 yang thaga 1 by 30 nahi ada ingka 3 3 is a 9 3 10 ja okay okay mau multiply khalesina sing 15 minus x into 15 plus x okay for 15 plus x plus 15 minus x equal to 3 1 is 3 2 10 is 20 plus x minus x cut 15 plus 15 orang naik 30 mau tambah lagi 15 minus x 15 plus x a minus b a plus b ada a minus b into a plus b a minus b into a plus b tambah a square minus b square okay ko a square minus b square ini di kamu 3 by 20 masuk direct cut kamu nih ko 3 1 za 3 10 za okay orta manai 10 by 15 square besek 225 minus x square equal to 1 by 20 cross multiply hari 225 minus x square equal to 200 20 into 10 200 so minus x square equal to 200 minus 2 to 5 so minus x square equal to minus 25 minus cut so x square equal to 25 okay x square से 25 pun khangke tang nai x equal to plus minus root over 25 which implies x equal to plus minus 5 okay either x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 5 okay minus 5 बताने sini ceng which is not possible okay speed of the stream besek chini je river ni speed mangkaseng speed of the stream is 5 km per hour 5 km per hour angkar chini stream ni speed screenshot nowadays okay nakha okay chini ora sek time kari kha maybe te 5 minutes rok tong khana ge ang agok sinai okay take as a question ang agok sinai take as a question ang agok sinai jodi doubts tong phiro hangkang ka ano olo o video upload ba ke comment section share di sir o minute o part buji ako hangkang type ke no explain khair na no okay ang type khair no ma explain khair na je jaga buji ya jaga timing timer roi asek time ang o mo buji liya mo share di ta no comment share di okay so last question ini ni keseng tam khayo nai tables nam layo nai ada yang upstream yang downstream ini ton nai or a distance ton nai or a speed ton nai or a time ton nai okay kele a motorboat has whose speed in still water is speed result still water or speed result hingga sengabus sinyalnya given speed of a boat in still water besar 24 km per hour. Orang ke sungno takes 1 hour ni saya sakotkan. Takes a selai reka question, okay? Kisah question selai reka. Takes 1 hour more to go 32 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Speed of the stream kardin siya orang sungno. Speed of the stream. Hanggang ke? Speed of the stream tang nai. Let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour. Okay, speed of the boat. Tak speed of the boat sengkari nai upstream. Upstream kita meng boat ni speed minus stream ni speed. Heda. Okay, speed of the boat. Speed of the boat downstream. Downstream kita nai boat ni speed plus stream ni speed. Yang kita tabuk sengoro distance. Besar distance travel kayak ni siya nai takes 1 hour more to go 30 iko. Distance besar. Mo sengolo kali ni. Oh 1 hour more sengolo 1 sulanya mo. But sengolo sekang tan sejak 32 km travel kayak ni siya. 32 km which means or about 32 seng sinyarai. Okay, or upstream ni speed 24 minus x iko. Downstream ni speed 24 plus x. Hingga time tambah distance by speed so 32 by omong. Omong ke upstream ni time, omong na sini downstream ni time. Okay, upstream ni time, downstream ni time. So sengor sinalanya time taken to travel upstream. Besok upstream travel kanya ni 32 by 24 minus x. Hingga apa jaga po? Time taken to travel downstream 32 by 24 plus x. Tak according to questions and equations nam sini. Equations nam na tansa. Takes 1 hour more to go upstream. Up then to return downstream. Tak na di. Upstream thang na ni downstream ni sai 1 घंटा बेसी नांगौ दिसाव. ठीक दा? Tadi. Takes 1 hour more to go upstream. 32 km upstream. 32 km upstream thang. Takes 1 hour more to go upstream. Mane upstream thang na ni iko je time nanggo upstream thang na ni. Engka. Upstream thang na ni. Upstream thang na ni je time nanggo. Upstream thang na ni je time nanggo. Abo tamo. Down upstream thang na ni je time nanggo. Gonta kaisa tamo. Takes 1 hour more to go upstream then to return downstream. 1 hour beshi nanggo. Sakas thang na nanggo ka ba? Sakat thang na nanggo ketik teksa time ka ngai. River leyang phai dong nang leyang thang ketik sa time nang na bile heda. 1 hour beshi nanggo downstream thang na ni. Mane no downstream thang na ni sai te 1 hour beshi nanggo. Iko. Upstream thang na ni time tamo downstream ni sai 1 घंटा बेसी. ठीक दा? Upstream thang na ni time, downstream thang na ni sai 1 hour बेसी. 1 hour more ni siya. More mane to plus. Okay. Upstream thang na ni time tambah iko. Upstream thang na ni time, downstream thang na ni iko 1 hour बेसी. Clear? Okay. Okay, o jaga Seng mono yang tu bisnai orang sirikon 32 by 24 minus x minus 32 by 24 plus x equal to 1. 32 not tiklai kake 1 by 24 minus x minus 1 by 24 plus x is equal to 1. Okay, mo direct orang LCM 24 minus x 24 plus x by 24 plus x minus 24 minus x equal to 1 by 32. Get 24 plus x minus 24 plus x Okay, mau ko a minus b a plus b mau. Okay, a square minus b square 1 by 32 cut x plus x2 x nai mau 2x 24 square besar ba 576 minus x square equal to 1 by 32. Okay, cross multiply okay 576 minus x square equal to 32 2 to the 4 64x. Okay, minus x square minus 64x plus 576 equal to 0. Okay, orang minus common nakhe x square plus 64x minus 576 equal to 0, which implies minus 9. Okay, x square plus 64x minus 576 equal to 0. Okay. Sunita not clear. Mau Sunita. Time sing naik ya. Ketrek sing naik ya kamera. Gue pare pagi namo. Jadi natabok angsol kebrot abo tapik ke quadratic equation to norok mangka. Quadratic equation to mangka norok solve ke mano. Eda. 576 2 2 za 4 1 2 8 za 2 8 za 16 2 8 za 16 2 1 4 4. Okay. 2 72 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 72 minus 8. Yes, 72 minus 8 ngo to. Or 72 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 72 minus 8 64 ngo. So orang sesinai. Okay. Ink alternation x square plus 72 minus 8x minus 576 equal to 0, which implies x square plus 72x minus 8x minus 576 equal to 0, which implies x common x plus 72 minus 8 common x plus 72 equal to x plus 72 equal to 0, which implies x plus 72 x minus 8 equal to 0. So either x plus 72 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 72, or x minus 8 equal to 0, which implies x equal to 8. Or the 9, which is not possible. Which is not possible. Therefore, speed of the stream. Therefore, speed of the stream is 8 km per hour. Yes. So, omoti hayang nai chini solution. Screenshot nadi ekko time ri dikha. Pai kha omon chini last question tongmani. So sang pai kha chini dinini chini session. Yes, 8. Elia 8, Rajiv 8, yes, Rujina 8, Radhika 8, Pohar 8, Goran 8, Goran, sabongka Goran, Boraninka Goran, Goran, 8 km per hour, Onita, yes, 8 km per hour. Okay, good night, Jotono, good night. Good night, Radhika, yes, good night. Elia, hambai. Ang koyek din ni ko PYQs kisah rutung nai physics ni je samani norong no eda nkan norok bod rekhaba ang physics ni bo PYQ tip hen nong bagai. Okay, physics ni bang nong bagai PYQs tu bi phainai, but maybe next week rogo, because tabuk orok kisah focus khalega na dasan eda o quadratic equation pair lega na o quadratic equation ni word problem pair mani ya golo sung ko changlaya na chini abo physics ni question stroke PYQ stroke khali tani eda sarang monisha si yes samano Radhika nung to radika ni si tong ka radika ni manu ne ble ka moni shani bung sele nyata ha moni shani bung sele nyari good night Rajiv good night sir upstream and downstream te kisha buchiri jamano do buchiri rwana ka of to kaini se khai ko mo kaini se khai ko ang separate video khai bo ang khair mo to live streaming mo se heda ang video snami bo upload khairi rwana so kun wana na kare goron ang si gorab katang bung sele banaro real bung phadita tini ni class sherang ka sir acha belang hambai zora nang sherang zakha practice khai dong ni okay marks ka mana nangana chin target tamo 90 plus malanya logi tong di pai ya sak logi tong di ang je khai di mani khai di blindly je khai di mani khai di 90 plus aram saman okay norok board exam asuk pro norok question nuk pro norok saiman oh i sar samani kok ko bunyo kintu naima bai simia seng match naima bai simia tamo bai khaima bai sirongo haida match naima bai simia khaima bai sirongo make your parents proud I can kok sai tong suanta I can charge python chitan haida पर्दे मैथ्स तो किसा खाई काबा किसी सा रेस्ट खाई आल का सब्जेक्ट रख पड़ दी एसएसटी रो इंग्लिश बांग्ला माया बक्सा बांग्ला उबिक सब किसा बांग्ला वो फोकस खाई दी के आपनी लगी जो तो सब्जेक्ट नहीं नो PYQs वो खाई दी कुछ क्या इनके से कॉन्फिडेंस मानना PYQ खाया सा कॉन्फिडेंस खाया PYQ खाई के yang board questions yang solve खाई मानी तो खा ini फाइनल ले ठीक दा ni na ko ni ni आप courage fashion आइता बुझ कर ले subscribe yes जे subscribe खाई जाएगा रॉक subscribe खाई दी जे subscribe खाई जाएगा रॉक 800 dekat kasih tu ang saya cuma lihat subscriber 800 ang zagda kakak kana nor ke saya macam naik tip pasona subscribe ke game ne 800 kana ni tong mani 3 nanggo अच्छा माने तिनी only खरक नहीं ते चारटा नांगो अच्छा 797 खरक तम के सब खाया को 797 अंका माने ऑन लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग को खरक नहीं से सब्सक्राइब खाया को ते चारटा तिनी के 2 hours का खाला तो पसे तिनी के चार्ज बतरो को तंग जनी तिनी के इंटरनेट बाबू लिया एक्चुअली अब तो वाईफाई बाय खाई के किसा फ्लक्चुएट नंग खामो आं मोबाइल नि हॉटस्पॉट नाइ से तिनी अब खाइछु दाखम परसिदि गां लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग ऑफ के दो ओके काम के दंदी नरंनि आमा ते बाबू संनो परालेखा खाई जों सासा गई ओके सोसाइटी वो पिलाला के एकदम प्राउड फील कर दे मेक योर पेरेंट्स प्राउड बुझा मेक योर पेरेंट्स प्राउड दाको हर का हम दो हर का हम आं मायो खै तो हम माइसा गना